guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Monet, and today I'm back with another video. So today I'm actually going to be vlogging. I'm going out to eat for my aunt's birthday. We're going to go to my favorite place in the world. If you guys know what my favorite restaurant is, my favorite place, comment down below. I'm not going to say it. Let's see if the real ones know. But yeah, it's gonna be me, my cousin, my aunt, and my mother. My aunt doesn't know that my mom's going. I added her onto the reservation so she can be surprised. But it's weird because it's not weird, but you know, this is just family. It's my dad's sister. It's gonna be really good. Yeah, mommy?
Sorry, here.
My nails just came in. Shout out to Chastity. I cannot wait to open these and put my nails on. Alright, so this is totally unexpected. I'm about to open my package that I've been waiting for. So this is the packaging. Hot pink. It's like mine. I love it. And then it says, thank you. Which great minds think alike because this is the packaging for my resin products. I'm actually working on something right now for someone that I cannot wait to show you guys. Okay, hold on. I'm so happy. I literally been fiending for these. They're custom press-on nails by my friend Chastity. I gave her a couple of ideas and she put it all together. So I'm hoping that they fit. She did have a size chart, but I totally did not listen to it. Right here, this is the name. And I think this is a cuticle oil. I'm pretty sure I saw her promoting that. So that's this right here. Which, are you gonna focus? Okay, there we go. But I'm like out of the frame. So excited. Love the packaging. This holographic is so cute. Packaging is literally the best. Oh my god, it comes with so... Oh my god, this is exciting. Okay. So it comes with all of this. Not only does it come with the nails, but it comes with this. So it comes with this, the little thing where you push the cuticles back right here. It comes with the nail glue. I'm like so out of frame. It comes with the nail glue. It comes with a little filer. And oh wait, is this the thing that pushes the nails back? They might both do the same thing, but I'm so obsessed. I want to put them on now. Wow, look at how freaking pretty. They are so bomb. Oh my god. Whew. Okay, so false alarm. My mom said they're gonna fit. I just have to press it on a little bit harder with the glue. Shout out to the glue because that's what's gonna make it stay. Oh my gosh, so I'm so happy. I'm about to go hit her up right now. Let me close my door because they have they're watching this show and they're totally hooked. Alright, real quick before I leave. So I received an order like a week ago for this right here. So basically I made the tray first and then I placed the picture in the middle. So I just have to pour the resin to harden the picture up. But this was a request. They haven't seen it yet. They just said I can do whatever color I want, but this is the picture on the inside. And there's a little bit of red in the detailing, so I decided to do red and black, and I think it looks so cool. So I'm happy about this one. And then I'm just gonna show you two that I created with like the extra. So throughout the whole entire summer, everyone was buying like the Powerpuff Girls one that I was creating. So I decided to go back to that with the extra. I did have like a red, a little tiny bit of black at some spots, and then a pink glitter. And I added this. I just have to pour the resin in the inside to make it all come together. But this is a deeper tray, and then it has 1, 2, 3, the 4 slits. The ones that I was selling in the summer actually didn't have any slits, so I think this is pretty cool. You can lay down, you know, whatever you guys are smoking. So yeah, that's this one. I usually charge $35, but I'm thinking of charging $25. Sorry for the lighting. Usually I charge $35 for the deeper ashtray, but since it's not customized by somebody else, it's customized by me, I'm thinking I'm charging it $25. Because usually people send me in like, you know, a certain request, and that's why I charge $35. This is a new one. I have never made this shape yet. It's like a classic, like an old school type of shape of an ashtray. It has this lid right there and right here. all I did was use the extra pink. It's kind of see-through, which is pretty cool. It's still really thick. And there's butterflies in there. They just did their own thing. Like right here, I think there's like 3 bunched up together. They just did their own thing. But I still think it's super pretty though. I already went to the post office this morning. I had like 3 orders from yesterday. I try to get it out as soon as possible. Everyone that I did ship out the other day, they received it in like 2 days. So that's pretty good. I'm trying to be like super on point. But yeah, it's time for me to go. I cannot wait to come back home and put these nails on. I really wish I had them on for this outfit, but it's time to go. I'm gonna go. So this is my outfit. I just have to go downstairs and get my sneakers. I bought these pants last year from Urban Outfitters. I wore them twice. This will be my 3rd time. I definitely have on like some black freaking what's it called, leggings under, because it's freezing outside and these are super thin. They don't really do anything for the body, as in like make your butt look good, but I mean actually it's not so terrible. So that's that. I'm about to go get my sneakers and show you the outfit. I'm wearing the matte one, MBKM, Purse by Me. I only have 2 left on the website, so if you guys do like it, the link is going to be in the description. But I thought it was a super cute touch to the outfit as usual. Definitely not like a belt this time, more of holding it like this. I'm not even sure what jacket I'm going to wear. Hi mamas. You gonna watch Selena's? Okay, here we go. We have like stuff that we're giving away right in front of this mirror, so this is not. Yeah, when I get home. Okay, we watch it together. I know you're probably thinking I'm extra with the orange sneakers, but I really don't care. I like it. And then I have my shirt that says the eyes Chico, they never lie, and that is from Scarface. And then I just have like a gold chain and my gold earrings. And then I have my wing eyeliner, which I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling today. Now the question is, what jacket do I wear? Probably this black bubble jacket, to be honest. I don't know if I wear the black bubble jacket, if I should. Nah, that's just being too extra. I think the, oh my god, where is it? I think this with this is too extra. Oh my god, I gotta make my, why do I have, no, sometimes I literally make no sense. I'm sorry about that. I gotta do something with that. I gotta bring my tea downstairs. I'll be honest, I concern myself sometimes because like, what was that? That actually made no sense. Like, I have my sharpener for my lip liner on the plate. Even though the plate is finished, like, it makes no sense. But I know y'all noticed I was drinking tea. I drink tea every day, twice a day. Green tea peach. And I was drinking green tea jasmine something. I don't know, but it's so good. I feel like I cannot go on to the next day if I don't drink tea, which is crazy because growing up I thought tea was actually disgusting and I would never. Now I can't go to sleep without it. Real quickly, I just want to show you what I carry in the purse, because a lot of people ask the question and I understand it's a very reasonable question because it is a mini bag, but this is the one that I'm wearing today, and this one is called Blackout. Now I do have the car key, so it has a key, my mother's car, and then if you have a push to start, it's right here. And then the rest that's in here is my lip gloss, my hand sanitizer, a $20 bill, and then my ID and my debit card. So that is exactly what I fit in there. And then if you want your mask like bunched up over there, you can do that. So that's that. I know that was super quick, but I hope that helped you. And that's my aunt texting me because I have to be there already. Love that. Don't look too excited, birthday girl.
No, it's my toe hurts.
Why?
Because.
Happy birthday! Did you see her eat?
Oh my god. Let me show you
Look
the
at you. She said she enjoyed it. Did you enjoy yourself?
Right. Now it's delicious.
Yeah, right.
It's always good. I gotta give props to this
It
place.
is always good.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Happy. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. I told them when I went to the bathroom. Hi guys, so clearly I didn't end the vlog off, which I feel like I never do these days because I forget and I just go to sleep without ending it off, which I know is so horrible of me. But I have the nails on. They're super long. They're giving me bad bitch vibes. I love it.
I don't know why or what.